Hello everyone, welcome to iQuanta. Today we are going to discuss 10th set of iLRDI series, and this set is from CAT 2021 third slot. So this set is basically about 10 players who competed in an international javelin throw event. The number after P of a player reflects his rank at the beginning of the event, with rank 1 going to the topmost player. There were two phases in the event, with the first phase consisting of round 1, 2 and 3 and the second phase consisting of round 4, 5 and 6. The throw is measured in terms of distance it covers in meters up to 1 decimal point accuracy. Only if a throw is valid, 1. Okay. Now it says for an invalid throw, the distance is taken as 0. A player's score at the end of a round is the maximum distance of all his throws up to that round. The best one. We will always take the best throw. Players are re-ranked after every round based on their current scores. In case of a tie in scores, the player with the prevailing higher rank retains the higher rank. This ranking determines the order in which the players go for their throws in the next round. In each of the rounds in the first phase, the players throw in increasing order of their latest rank, which is the player ranked 1 at that point throws first, then rank 2 and then so on. Top 6 player at the end of the first phase qualify for the second phase, and in each of the rounds in the second phase, the players throw in decreasing order of their latest rank, that is, the worst player, means rank 6, will throw at first, then rank 5 and so on. The players ranked 1, 2, 3 at the end of the 6th round receive gold, silver and bronze medals respectively, just like it happens in Olympics. All the valid throws of the event were of distinct distances as per stated measurement accuracy. The tables below show distances covered by all valid throws in the first and the third round of the event. So this is the table given for the first round and the third round, all the valid throws. These are the information given and these are the questions. So 6 questions in this one, and let's move on to the information where we can solve these questions. So what does it say? First, what we know is first round scores, right? So let's write down these scores in that order. So P1 got 82.9, P3 got 81.5, P5 got 86.4, not P6 got 82.5, P7 got 87.2 and P9 got 84.1. What about the rest of the players? These players got 0 because their throws weren't valid. So P2 got 0, P4 got 0, P8 got 0 and P10 got 0. Okay. So now if we arrange them according to their rank in last round, P7 will come on top. Then after P7, P5 will come second. After P5, it will be P9 who will come third, and after P9 it will be P1, then P6 and then P3. Rest of these 4, P2, P4, P8 and P10, all of them scored 0. So they will be ranked as per their ranking before this round 1, which was P2, P4, P8 and P10. Now let's write down their scores. Can we say for P7, P9, P1, P5, P2, P4, P8, P10, there is one information given here. It says among the throws in the second round, only the last 2 were valid. Only last 2 were valid. It means rest of them did not score anything, or we can say 0, because their throw weren't valid. So let's put 0 here. Now P8 and P10, let's say P8 scored X and P10 scored Y. It says both the throws enabled these players to qualify for the second phase. Means P8 and P10, this X and Y distance was so good, that got them into top 6, right? And that's why they qualified for the next round. Okay, with one of them qualified with the least score, means P8 or P10, one of them got the 6th rank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can say P8 or P10 got the 6th rank. Okay, can we say one of these two, whoever got the least, will throw first in round 4? Because we know this already, right? That whoever got the worst rank will throw first in round 4, 5 and 6. Now it said none of these players won any medal. So P8 or P10 did not win any medal. Now let's see. Rest it says if a player throws first in a round and he was also the last among the players in the current round to throw the previous round, then the player is said to get a double. 2 players got a double. Simple meaning is if a player throws last in first round and first in second round, then he got a double. Okay, so 2 players got this double. Later it says in each round of the second phase, exactly 1 player improved his score. Means there are players who improved in round 4, round 5, round 6, but exactly 1 player in each round. Okay, so at most 3 player it could be, and at least 1 player. At least 1 player improved thrice, or at most 3 player improved in each of these round. Each of these improvements was by the same amount. So they improved their distance by same amount, like either it's 1 meter or 1.5 meter or 2 meter. All of them improved by the same measurement. Now the gold and bronze medalist improved their scores in the 5th and the 6th round respectively. 1 medal winner improved his score in the 4th round. So whoever improved their score got the medal, right? So there were 3 improvements, 3 medalists, right? Gold, bronze and silver. Now we don't know this medal winner who improved his score, who is he? Is he gold medalist or bronze medalist or silver medalist? But one thing we know for sure, that whoever did not get the medal did not improve. If you don't improve, you don't get the medal. If you improve, you get the medal. Okay? Can we say 3 players did not improve, at least 3 players, and one of those 3 players, these 2 must be there, P8 and P10. So whoever was least in 3rd round was least in 4th round, in 5th round and 6th round. So we can say whoever threw first in 4th round did not improve, and hence throws in 2nd round and in 5th round and 6th round, right? Now it's very clear to find out which players got the double. Why? Because in 4th to 5th round we know that whoever was the first here was first here also and was first here also to throw. So there is no double possible from round 4 to 5. From 5 to 6 also not a double possible. We know that round 1 to 2 there was no double. So the only doubles possible was from round 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. So round 2, last player to throw was P10. Can we say he must be first player to throw in round 3, and in round 3 6th rank was P8, so he must be the first player to throw in round 4, round 5 and round 6. So we got our players who got the doubles, right? Now Let's see rest of the information. So in round 3, P10 was ranked first. Why? Because he got maximum score in round 2. What we can say about that? So till now you can see highest scorer is P7, right? Can we say Y must be greater than 87.2? Y must be greater than 87.2. That's why he got the first rank, because P7 got the highest score in first and second round taking together, which was 87.2. Now let's put the same ranking here. Can we say, as all of these got 0 or invalid throw, the ranking will be same: P7, P5, P9, P1, then P6 will come here, then P5 will come here, P2 will come here, and P4 will come here. Now let's see what are their scores after round 3. So P10 got Y, P8 got X. What about P7? Do you see any score by P7 in third round? No. So we will take the previous ones only. So it was 87.2. P5, we don't see P5 here, right? So P5 scored 86.4, which is same as first round. P9 is here 81.4, and previously it was 84.1. So 81.4 is null. We won't count it, okay, because the better is 84.1. What about P1? P1 scored 88.6, which was definitely better than the previous one, 82.9. What about P6? So P6 got 82.5. Then P5 got 86.4, okay, and then P2 got 0, P4 got 0. Now we can rank this player here, right? We know that P8 is best. What we can say about Y? Y is definitely greater than 87.2, and P1 is 88.6. So can we say the player P10 must be at first or second rank? Okay, this Y value could be better than 88.6 because it's better than 87.2, or it could be between 88.6 and 87.2. So for now we don't know the rank of P1 or P10 either after round 3 who was first or second. So P1, P10 and P1. Okay, what about the rest of them? So after P8 it was, who was P8? What we can say about X? We can say X must be greater than 82.5, right? X must be greater than 82.5, which is 6th score. Now what's next? After P8, second highest score is P9, right? So we will put P9 here. Then it was P5, and then comes P7. Rest of them did not qualify. P6, P5, P6, P2, P4 did not qualify. Okay, rest we can say P8 qualified, P1 qualified, P9 qualified, P5 qualified, and P7 qualified. Okay, I have written P5 twice here, so I must have left something. So P5 86.4, and P7, P5, P9, P1, P6, P5 I have repeated here, which is wrong. It should have been, which got the least one, P3, right? P3. I missed P3 here, so this should be P3. Okay, and P3 scored 79. Previously it was 81.5. So we will put 81.5 here. Now it's all okay, I guess. So now let's read rest of the information. It says the difference between the final scores of the gold medalist and the silver medalist, as well as the difference between the final scores of the silver medalist and the bronze medalist was 1. Now we know this for certain that P8 or P10 did not win any medal. It's given here, right? So let's write down rest of them who could be the winner. So we can say P9 could be the winner, could be the P5 could be the winner, P7 could be the winner, or P1 could be the winner, right? What's the score of P9? It will be 84.1 before round 4. Then P5, it will be 86.4. Then it's P7 who got 87.2. Then it's P1 who got 88.6. Now, what we know here that in each round of the second phase, exactly one player improved, right? In each round, exactly one player improved. Gold medalist and silver medalist. Gold medalist improved in the 5th round and bronze medalist improved in the 6th round. What about the third medalist who improved? One medal winner improved his score in the 4th round. Who improved in the 4th round? So see, it's a little bit tricky. What we know that the difference between the final scores of the silver medalist and the bronze medalist was 1 meter, and all of them improved by the same amount. All of them improved by the same amount. So we can say that if, let's say, any 3 of these 4 improved by the same amount, so plus I, plus I, plus I, and plus I. So we should have gotten something so that their scores are in difference of 1, right? Something like if one of the score is A minus 1, then other must be A and then A plus 1. For that, can we say the decimal point should be same? But now all the decimal points are different. If you take any 3 of these 4, improve by same value, as their decimal point are not the same, the difference is never going to be 1, right? Can we say, so it's not possible that there are 3 players who improved, but there are only 2 players who improved, and out of gold or bronze medalist improved twice, right? So we can say the silver medalist did not improve. Can we say that? So either gold or bronze medalist improved in the 4th round. The silver medalist did not improve. Once again, one of these 2 has improved in 5th round and 6th round. We know that only 2 players has improved their score. One of them improved twice. So either it will be gold or bronze. Silver medalist did not improve and his score in the 3rd round was good enough to get him silver medal. Who could it be? Let's see. So P9 cannot be that person because he is already on 4th out of these 4 person. He cannot get silver. P5 is on 3rd position out of these 4. He again cannot get silver medal ever because rest of 2 are improving. So 2 players are already ahead of him. Okay, so P5 is not possible. P7, let's say if P7 got the silver medal, what is the possibility? So gold, silver, bronze. If 87.2 is the measurement for silver medalist, bronze medalist must have gotten 86.2 meter as per given information. The difference was 1 meter, and gold medalist must have gotten 88.2 meter. Now you can see this doesn't satisfy here because P1 has already gotten 88.6, which is ahead of gold medalist. Can we say P7 is not the silver medalist? So the only thing left, the only option left is P1 is our silver medalist. So if P1 got 88.6 meter, bronze player must have gotten 87.6 meter and gold medalist must have gotten 89.6 meter. Now, P1 is fixed, right? P1 is fixed, the silver medalist. Now, let's try to see who could have gotten 87.6. P9, if we take P9 could have gotten 87.6, then he must improve by 2.5. Okay, he must improve by 2.5 or not 2.5, 4.5 actually. So, if he improves by 4.5, someone must have improved by 4.5 and 4.5 twice. So, if you add 9 in these two players, you don't get 89.6. So, let's discard P9. If P5 improve by 2.2, this one 2.2, so he will reach to 87 point, not 2.2, 1.2 actually, it will be, what we need is 87.6. So, he needs to improve by 1.2 only to get 87.6. So, the improvement is 1.2 in case of bronze medalist. So, in case of gold medalist, it must be 1.2 plus 1.2, 2.4 meter. Let's try to add this. 87.2 plus 2.4, it's 89.6, right? Very, very good. Now, let's try to consider that B7 got the bronze medal. So, he must improve by 0.4 only. If he improves 0.4 only, then the gold medalist must improve by 0.8. If you add 0.8 to P5 score, you don't get 89.6. So, it's definitely, now we can say that P1 got the silver medal and P7 got the gold medal and bronze medalist is P5. And the improvement is 1.2 and 2.4. Okay, clear? So, we are done with this. What we can say here in this table. So, let's not write down according to their ranking. Let's just try to write down as per their points. So, for P7, previously it was 87.2. And he improved by 1.2, so can we say it must be 88.4 here, and then let's add 1.2, then it will become 89.6, and for 6th round it was also same. No improvement for the gold medalist in the 3rd round. For P1, now we know that P1 is 88.6 and he got silver. So, P10 must be lesser than that because he did not get. P10 was better than 87.2, but he did not win. He did not win the medal. So, he must be lesser than P1 who was in 3rd round 88.6. So, we can say Y was between 87.2 and lesser than 88.6, whatever it was. So, let's put Y. So, all of these are Y. For P8, it was always X. Now, we know that he got worst rank, so he must be lesser than P9 who also did not improve. P9 was 84.1 all along, he did not improve also. So, X must be greater than 87.2 because he was 6th rank in 3rd round, but he was 6th rank in 4th round, 5th round, 6th round also. So, he must be lesser than 84.1. What about P5? P5 improved once in 6th round. Okay, bronze medal improved in 6th round. So, P5 was 86.4 after 4th round, after 5th round also, but in 6th round he became 87.6. Okay. Now, what about P1? P1 is our silver medal winner. He also did not improve, but his score in the 3rd round was good enough to get him a medal. So, this is the whole table, right? Who was ranked first in 4th round? Who was ranked first? Definitely P1, right? P1 was ranked first. Who was ranked first after 5th round? It was P7. And who was ranked first after 6th round? It was once again P7. So P7 was ranked first after round 5. He must have thrown last after round 6. So these are not according to their order, but I have just written down their scores in particular rounds. Now let's solve this question. Which two players got the double P8 and P10? Who won the silver medal? It's P1. Who threw the last javelin in the event? So round 6 last. Who was first after round 5? It was P7. So answer is B. What was the final score of the silver medalist? It was 88.6, the most significant number in this whole set. Which of the following can be the final score of P8? P8 scored X, which is between 82.5 and 84.1. So 82.7 is the only possibility. By how much did the gold medalist improve his score in the second phase? He improved his score twice, 1.2 into 2. It's 2.4. So now we are done with all these questions. You can match your answers, and this was definitely a difficult set, but don't worry about it. Choose your sets widely during the exam and you are all good. So we are done with this set. I'll be back with the next set of iLRDI series. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.